Hey, you guys, welcome to this real estate series, and we have two special guests today. They are going to be talking about mortgages, and I hope this information is very helpful for you guys. If you can, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Welcome, guys. Welcome, ladies.
Hi, Kelina. Thank you for having us.
Hola,
Thank
Kelina.
you.
¿Cómo está?
Can you guys introduce yourselves?
Yes, I'd be more than happy to. First, I want to thank you for allowing us this opportunity to speak. My name is Xiomara Abadias. I am a VP and Regional Manager for First Option Mortgage. My job is to help grow businesses and to help get more families and homes. And this is
Jolene Abadia. I am the Business Development Manager for First Option Mortgage here in Jacksonville.
And yes, we're sisters.
Thank you guys for coming today. So one of my most asked questions from my clients is right now a good time to buy a house? What do you guys think?
I love that question because honestly, the only one that can really answer that question is the borrower. Everyone has different motivation and different reasons for buying a home, but as someone that's in the mortgage industry, I would say it's always a good time to buy because as we've seen throughout history, property values continue to increase. People are concerned about interest rates being higher than what we've seen in the past, but you don't have to marry an interest rate. An interest rate is not permanent, but having that foundation and living in a house and creating memories in your home, those are things that are permanent. But interest rates being higher than what we're accustomed to is definitely shouldn't be a deterring factor because you can always refinance your home and obtain a lower rate in the future if rates were to go down again, which I'm hoping that they do.
Yeah,
That's right.
That's awesome. We're all hoping for the interest to go down very quickly.
Well, it's funny we say that because sometimes we want things and not knowing. If interest rates go down, that means that something is happening to our economy that may not be so good. But at the same time, many home buyers will benefit from a lower interest rate. So I'd be happy to see rates go down a little bit, but it always comes with a price, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You're right. So can you tell us, ladies, what help is available right now for first-time home buyers?
Well, we have the down payment assistance for Duval County. We have up to $20K for FHA, USDA, VA loans, up to $299 max sales price, and you have to have a 640 credit score.
That's
awesome.
That's awesome.
That program is amazing. It's very flexible, very simple. They get the 20%, the $20,000 to use for their down payment and closing costs. That is repayable. So what does that mean? If you apply for it and you use the Duval County $20,000 down, I'm just trying to confuse this information. Sorry. If you use the $20,000 down payment money from the Duval County program, it is repayable should you sell your house, refinance your home. If, for instance, it goes into foreclosure, that money would be owed, or if you move out of that house, meaning you bought that house as a primary residence, you got the $20,000 assistance for down payment, but now you've moved on to bigger and better things and you're buying your next home. If you turn that home into an investment property, say you rent it out or you sell it, that money is paid back.
Thank you. Thank you for let us know about all the details. And last but not least, this is one of my most asked questions too. What kind of documentation first-time home buyers need in order to qualify for these helps?
Well, anytime you're applying for a traditional mortgage, they typically want to see 2-year history. In that 2-year history, they want to know where you've lived for the last 2 years. They want to know where you've worked for the last 2 years. And then they want to see 2 months worth of bank statements to see how your spending and saving habits are, as well as 30 days worth of your pay stubs. If you are self-employed and you don't have pay stubs, we want to see 2 years of your tax returns to see what kind of income you're working with. Now, that's not standard for every single loan option. That's typically for FHA, conventional, those kinds of loan options. We also have alternative loan products where we don't even have to ask you for your income documentation. Those programs are very flexible, but typically require a higher down payment. So we have a ton of options depending on the borrower's scenario or the buyer's scenario.
Thank you, ladies. And how can my clients or anybody who's looking at this video can contact you for any questions, or if they want to apply with you guys? What is your guys' information and website, please?
Of course. They can call me directly in my office and speak to one of our team members. The phone number would be 904-672-5708.
And Kalina, if you don't mind, we would like to send you information on our apply it link, so that maybe you can post it in the video. That way it's easier, because our names are a little complicated and that might get a little funny.
Yes, man. Well, thank you so much for coming today. So if you guys have any questions or you guys want to apply with these beautiful ladies, I'm gonna leave the link below and their contact information as well, so you can call them, email them, or apply with them. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Kalina.
Kalina.
Thank you.